Hello friends, I am here with PPSC economics questions. So it is quick answer session. So first section will comprise of economic concepts and theories. First is question is who is regarded as the father of economics? A. Karl Marx, B. Adam Smith, Alfred Marshall, D. J.M. Keynes. Answer is B. Adam Smith, author of Wealth of Nations, which published in 1776, is considered as the father of modern economics. Question number 2. The concept of invisible hand was introduced by A. Ricardo, Adam Smith, C. Marshall, D. Keynes. Answer is B. Adam Smith. The invisible hand refers to the self-regulating nature of markets in Adam Smith's theory. Question number 3. National income in India is estimated by A. Ministry of Finance, B. Niti Aayog, C. CSO, now NSO, and D. RBI. Answer is C. NSO. The Central Statistical Office, CSO, estimates national income. Question number 4. GNP is equal to GDP plus A. Depreciation, B. Net income from abroad, C. Indirect taxes, D. Subsidies. Answer is B. That is net income from abroad. GDP is equal to GDP plus net factor income from abroad. Question number 5. Engel's law relates to A. Savings, B. Expenditure on food, C. Money supply, D. Employment. Answer is B. That is expenditure on food. Engel's law states that as income rises, the proportion of income on food declines. Question number 6. Demand curve generally slopes A. upward, B. downward, C. horizontal, D. vertical. Answer is B. Downward. Demand curve slopes downward due to the law of demand, that is inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. Question number 7. The concept of comparative advantage was given by A. Ricardo, B. Smith, C. Marshall, D. Keynes. Answer is A. David Ricardo explained comparative cost advantage in international trade. Question number 8. Marginal utility at the point of maximum total utility is A 0, B 1, C negative, D maximum. Answer is A 0. Total utility is maximum when marginal utility is equal to 0. 9. Quasi-rent is associated with A. Ricardo, B. Keynes, C. Marshall, D. Adam Smith. Answer is C. Alfred Marshall. Alfred Marshall introduced quasi-rent for short-run returns to fixed factors. Question number 10. Liquidity trap is related to Marx, Keynes, Pigou,